Sorry, guys, I got cut off there with the recording going so long. But what I wanted to finish, and I couldn't leave it hanging there, when we talked about the how a bad attitude can be a cancer and it can spread. I just wanted to tell you, please, just be a positive voice. Be a positive voice in this school because I'll do an activity with you guys in a few weeks, maybe a couple of months, where it really talks about how that positive attitude versus a negative attitude affects everything, and believe it or not, makes all of our lives harder. The person saying it, it makes their life hard, it makes their life harder. To the person that hears it, it makes their life harder. To the person who is trying to discredit it or combat it, it makes their life harder. So we want to all be together, and I can't believe I had to do this uh, another video for less than a minute. But at any rate, folks, y'all have a great day. Thank you for everything. God bless you, and I will see y'all tomorrow. I am hopefully on the way home now, probably not yet, but I'd like to think I am, with probably a pretty upset wife at this point who has just dropped our baby off at college. So y'all just be thinking about us and praying for us as we go through this evening. The first one really in quite some time without our babies at home. Anyway, y'all have a great one. Talk to you soon. Bye.